A whopping 6 million pounds of compost has made its way into the hands of New York City gardeners in 2025, a milestone that showcases the city's renewed vision for turning organic waste into a community asset. Just imagine, banana peels, grass clippings, and even those greasy pizza boxes piling up in the Big Apple aren't simply tossed away anymore. They're finding a brand new purpose, helping community gardens and local residents go greener than ever before. If you think throwing food scraps away is no big deal, think again. What happens to organic waste has long been a contentious issue, but here's where things get truly transformative. Thanks to a major expansion of NYC's organic waste collection program, launched last year, residents now have access to curbside pickup for everything from leftover vegetables to autumn leaves. Instead of languishing in landfills and emitting harmful methane, a greenhouse gas that's surprisingly much more powerful in the short term than carbon dioxide, this material is diverted to specialized composting facilities. At places like the Staten Island Compost Facility, an enormous operation is underway under vast white tarps, where temperatures soar above 100 degrees Fahrenheit. These conditions aren't just for show. They're proven to kill off dangerous microbes and troublesome weed seeds. Underneath, a veritable ecosystem takes over. Insects, mushrooms, and especially hard-working microbes break down everything from tree branches to snack wrappers. The process not only creates high-quality fertilizer, but also mitigates greenhouse emissions, a real win-win. And here's what most people don't realize. Some of this rich, dark compost is sold to landscapers, but much is distributed completely free to residents at designated locations. This opportunity to collect free compost is a perk many New Yorkers haven't caught on to yet. Wouldn't it be a game changer if every resident could return organic matter to their own gardens or local parks? Department of Sanitation officials say this effort has resulted in the distribution of about 6 million pounds of compost so far. Since the introduction of yard waste recycling back in 2014, the city's residents have collectively recycled over 21,000 tons. That's not just numbers on a page. When spread across lawns, parks, and flower beds, this compost helps the soil stay healthy, makes green spaces more resilient, and even helps the city handle stormwater more effectively by improving soil drainage. But here's a thought that's sure to spark debate. While diverting organic waste from landfills is clearly beneficial, some critics wonder if the current system can keep up with the city's staggering volume of daily waste. Is it truly scalable? What more can be done to get even higher participation rates among residents? What do you think? Is NYC's approach to composting a model for other cities, or is there room for improvement? Share your perspectives. Should more aggressive policies or incentives be in place to boost involvement? Chime in with your thoughts, whether you're cheering the initiative or calling for fresh ideas.